Joint pain, commonly felt in areas like the knees, elbows, and hands, is often attributed to aging, leading many to dismiss it as a normal part of life without seeking treatment. However, it's crucial to recognize that living with persistent pain can induce stress on the body and potentially lead to further complications, such as knee damage and misalignment. Various factors contribute to knee discomfort, including excessive strain, diminished bone density, and wear and tear on muscles and tissues. Additionally, deficiencies in essential vitamins like calcium, vitamin D, and iron can exacerbate joint issues, increasing the risk of conditions like arthritis and inflammation. The good news is that there are natural remedies available to alleviate this discomfort, promising relief within a few days. In today's video, we'll delve into effective strategies for both preventing and managing joint and knee pain. Remember, if knee discomfort persists for more than a week, it's advisable to seek medical attention as there could be underlying issues beyond simple overuse. And don't overlook the importance of maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins, bromelain, and magnesium, as it plays a significant role in overall joint health. Let's prioritize our well-being and take proactive steps towards a pain-free and active lifestyle. Indulge in the comforting embrace of nature's remedy with our enticing smoothie blend, expertly crafted to ease knee and joint discomfort. Delve into the soothing essence of pineapple, revered for its potent blend of bromelain and vitamin C, working harmoniously to quell inflammation and fortify your body's defenses. As you sip on this invigorating elixir, allow the warming spice of cinnamon to gently coax your blood to circulate more freely, revitalizing your weary joints. But wait, there's more. With each sip, relish the burst of citrusy goodness from fresh orange juice, infusing your body with an extra dose of vitamin C to bolster ligaments and tendons. To embark on this journey to wellness, gather diced pineapple, wholesome rolled oats, and a dash of raw honey, simmered to perfection in a pot of water before blending with orange juice and cinnamon. With each sip of this nourishing concoction, envision a future free from discomfort and brimming with vitality. Embrace this daily ritual with anticipation, and in just 5 days, bask in the glow of newfound relief, empowering you to embrace life's adventures with renewed vigor. I invite you to give this recipe a whirl and then swing by our comment section to share your experience. We're eager to hear if it brought you the relief you sought and if you savored every flavor-filled bite. Your feedback helps us tailor our recipes to better suit your needs and preferences. So, whip up a batch, dive in, and let us know your thoughts. We can't wait to hear from you.